Increases in the frequency of contagious diseases are being observed. Avian cholera has increased in the Arctic archipelago and northern Bering Sea. Seals and walruses, essential foods for indigenous communities, experienced an unusual mortality event in the Pacific and Beaufort in 2011, affecting not only the species themselves, but the health, nutrition, cultural, and economic well-being of many communities in Canada, the U.S., and Russia.
So for the Inuit culture, it's very much part of the ecosystem. So when we talk about walrus, we have to understand how many young boys have to go out that year to hunt, to be taught for the first time. And when they catch a walrus, they have to come back and give it to their elder. And this is the mark of the first time that they make a transition from being provided for to being a provider within their community. And that roots a lot of self-identity. So there's this very large connection that you have to be able to see where all of these points are connected to each other and understand that if one piece changes, so for example, the benthic species distribution is changing in that area right now, it affects the walrus, but it also affects that young boy, and it affects all the people that are meant to come together to process the walrus at the same time. And it affects an opportunity to transfer knowledge from one generation to the other during that season, and to develop your relationship, to understand who you are and become aware of yourself within your environment.